You are welcome to the 30th lesson of our training. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to apply gradients to our test and also how to apply strokes to our test. Shadow to our test. We are going to learn how to apply gradient to our test and also how to apply shadows to our test. Now let's go. Let's move forward straight. We already have our test here, so you click on FX. Then first of all, you are going to deal with the gradient, so you click on gradient overlay. Click on gradient overlay. You see, then you come and change the colors for the test. So let's change the color black to this color, yellow. Then the white, let's change it to red or orange. Yes. Then you click on OK. So this is how we apply gradient to our test. You can change the angle. You see, let me push this one anyway. Change the angle to any angle that suits you, so that your work will be nice. Now let's learn how to apply shadow. With the same area, you come to this side, drop shadow. You click on the drop shadow without going back. Click on the drop shadow. Then you come and adjust your distance, your spread, and your size. So let's change it. Let's change the distance. Watch it whilst you move the distance. Then the spread, you increase your spread. Then the size, you increase the size. You see the shadow has been applied. This time too, you can change your angle. Change your angle where you want your shadow to be applied. You can change your angle. Good. Then the opacity, you can make it 100. If that's okay for you, you can make it 80, 90, 70, or thereabouts. Okay, or 60, based on what you are designing. So that is the opacity for you. So after that, you click on OK, then it will apply. So this is how we apply gradients to our test and how we apply shadow to our test. Thank you for watching.